welcome back to my channel. Teresa Love here. Thank you so much for clicking, it means so much. If you could like this video, I would love to make more makeup videos and it would totally help out my channel. And if you could subscribe, I would love for you to join the family. So for today's video, I wanted to share another makeup tutorial with a new eyeshadow palette that I just got. I just bought the Zodiac Bh Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It's a beautiful palette. I've been looking for it and I wanted to buy it, but it was only online at Ulta and I didn't want to pay the shipping. But when I went to Kohls and I looked at the makeup section, it was in the makeup section, so I was able to buy it. It has 25 color eyeshadows. Let's open it. First of all, it has this beautiful mirror. You can see yourself. And the mirror is a little bit foggy, so I would not recommend it to do your makeup with, but it's a nice touch just to be able to do details. And then it comes with these beautiful colors. In the center, we have the white, and I use that for my base eyeshadow. And then around it, we have matte shades. We have dark green, tan, brown, black, dark purple, lighter purple, magenta, a little bit of a pink mauve, another light gray, and some browns. Those are great to create the transition that we want to create these beautiful eye looks. And then around it we have these beautiful sparkly glitter shimmer eyeshadows. I'll swatch this green one. Look at that. And that is just dry. So this Zodiac palette are the Zodiac signs. So we have Capricorn, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Libra, that's me, Virgo, Leo, Cancer, Gemini, Taurus, Aries, Pisces, Aquarius, and ending with Capricorn. I created this blue and bronzy eyeshadow look today. And if you want to see how I created this, then you can keep watching and the makeup tutorial will start. My makeup on, I have my mascara done, my eyeliner, my lip gloss, and my blush. I love how this look turned out. I think it looks super pretty and it was really easy. It took maybe 10 minutes to just blend, and the eyeshadow blended beautifully and they swatched beautifully. I am so happy I got this palette and it's going to be so much more fun to do so many more looks with it. This eyeshadow palette was super fun to play with. Like I said before, this is my second Bh Cosmetics palette. I love Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition. So beautiful and bright colors. And this one has more jewel tones and darker colors. I also do not have very many matte shades because I'm not really a fan of mattes, but when you want to create that transition and you want to create that beautiful eye look, then you want the matte and then the shimmer on top. So that's how you get your kind of ombre built up effect, and it looks super cute. Can't wait to try out more looks, and there's so many different jewel tone looks you can do. I did one look, I did white, and then I did the light pink transition, and then I went right into the Libra, and I did that in my crease to create the definition. Then I took my pink and my lighter pink champagne and I put that on the lid, and it was super pretty. I just love all these looks that I've created. I've been playing around with this palette so much and it's been so fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to make more of these makeup videos. I just love makeup. It's really fun for me to make makeup videos and talk about makeup. I hope you have an amazing day, and thank you so much again for watching. Bye!